Hello, beta. So you have this passage. Read the paragraph given below and answer the questions that follows. So this is a paragraph given to you. Okay, and there are several questions that are going to follow. There are MCQs that we have to do. So as I told you in the class, there are two methods of solving the comprehension passage. First is to read the questions first and then come back to the passage in order to find the answers. But that is only advisable when you only have question answers. But if in case you have MCQs, so what you do is that you only read the first MCQ and then you come back to the passage in order to find the answer. Because in MCQs we have a lot of options, so we cannot remember all the options. So what we are going to do, because this is an MCQ based paragraph, we are going to read the first question, and then we'll go back to the passage to find the answer. We are not going to read all the questions. So the first question is, why did the merchant offer to buy Nandu's horse? Okay, why did, okay, you have to focus on the keywords. Why the merchant offered to buy Nandu's horse? So if you read the passage, what I would suggest you is that you read this passage first. Okay, usually, as I told you, you get the answer of the first question in the first or second paragraph only. So we are going to read the passage. So one day Nandu rode his horse to the village fair. On his way back, he met Somendra the merchant. Okay, we are talking about the merchant. Now the merchant was a crafty man ready to do anything to earn some money. The villagers knew this. In fact, no one knew what trick he would be up to next. Now Nandu was poor and no one in the world call his own except a beautiful white horse. He loved it more than anything else in the world. The merchant had his eye. See, we are talking about the merchant and we are talking that why merchant was eager to buy Nandu's horse. So here the merchant had his eye. This line shows us on the horse for a long time and try to think of a way to get it for himself. Seeing Nandu, the merchant thought Nandu is a simpleton. So we got the answer for the first question in the this paragraph only. Because if we read the options, what it is written, why the merchant offered to buy Nandu's horse? He was very fond of horse and wanted it for himself. Yes, that is what is written in the first paragraph. It was his way of helping Nandu, who was poor. Obviously, we didn't get it from that. The horse would be helpful for carrying goods. This is not mentioned. He hated Nandu. No, this option is also not mentioned. What is mentioned is that he had his eye on the horse for a long time and tried to think of a way to get it for himself. He wanted the horse for himself. So A is going to be the correct answer. Okay, beta. Thank you so much.